Hello everyone, welcome back. From the previous few videos, we are exploring the world of artificial intelligence, we are exploring the world of machine learning and computer vision. Using these technologies, we learned how to use the artificial intelligence to get the facial expressions of a face or multiple faces in a frame. As an advanced level of artificial intelligence called ChatGPT, which is launched by OpenAI, every user is interacting with this ChatGPT, but we can only access this ChatGPT with the text. We can give the text input and get the result in the form of text. But in the previous video, we modified this ChatGPT environment along with the speech recognition and text-to-speech technology so that we can interact with ChatGPT using our voice command and get the result in the form of speech. So let's continue these topics on artificial intelligence, machine learning and computer vision. In this video, we are going to explore the world of human body detection and gesture detection. A human body detection aims to identify the presence of a human body or a person in a frame. It helps us to explore the potentials of human body detection using the tools of computer vision for analyzing the body postures and gestures. Using these technologies, a user can create a system where he or she can interact with his system using the tools of computer vision by different gestures and poses. If we are talking about the human body detection, we can find the applications of this human body detection or the use of this human body detection in Instagram and the Snapchat filters, where different filters insert the different characters on our faces. It can insert the lenses on our eyes, it can insert the beard on our face, it can insert the cap on our head and a complete dress on our body. Fitness apps are also using this human body detection and gesture detection technology for tracking the exercise of the user. And if we are talking about the human body detection, we are using the posenet algorithm, and using this posenet algorithm, our system marks 17 landmarks on our body, and based on the location and analysis of these 17 landmarks location, our system is able to identify the different locations, for example hand, wrist, nose, eyes and other parts of our body. If the image is not clear, as I also said in the previous video, that we have two methods for this. One is called the knowledge-based system and another is called the feature-based system. Since pose.net uses the feature-based system, so if the image is blur, is not clear, it's of very poor quality, then our system can easily identify the different parts of our body, different landmarks on the body based on the features. So secondly, if we are talking about the hand gesture detection, we are using the Mediapipe algorithm. Using this Mediapipe algorithm, we are marking the 21 landmarks on a hand. Then we can track the location of our hand in the frame. We can find the locations of our different fingers in the frame or different parts of our hand. So in this video, we are going to create a Flappy Bird game, which was previously launched by Instagram as a filter where user can play this Flappy Bird game with the movement of the nose in the frame. So in this video, we are going to modify that game. We are going to create the game in the similar way, but instead of tracking the nose location, we will be tracking the location of our index finger in the frame. So in this video, again, we are going to use this Python coding environment of PictoBlocks. Before we move to the coding part, let's do some setup part for this game. We have to set the background. For this, I'm uploading an image as a stage from my computer storage, and I'm selecting two sprites again from my computer storage. Set the size of the background. Select the pipe from here in the sprite list, go to costumes, select all, Control A, and adjust the width of this pipe here, and then come back to this Python programming and set the initial positions. So I'm going to set the initial coordinates, the coordinates right now are 42 and 156. So we have to create a forever loop here while true sprite dot go to xy 62 comma minus 178. I also have to import the time here, and time dot sleep 0.25 seconds. Copy the and paste here 140 to 190. Okay. And this part is over. Let's check the movement. Okay, now code for the Flappy Bird. We have to set the initial coordinate and initial size for this sprite. So sprite dot go to xy minus 154 comma and 20. Let's check. Okay, the size is still too high, so sprite dot set size to 20. And since we are dealing with the computer vision, so we have to import the pose.net. Using the pose.net, we will be dealing with the video, turning the camera on with 50% of transparency, pose.enable boxes, and create a forever loop while true pose dot we have to analyze hand if pose dot check that is there any hand in the frame. We have to move this Flappy Bird according to the index finger of our hand. Sprite dot go to x y to get the x location of our in 8th landmark. Pose dot get hand location. 1 is for x coordinate and 8 for the 8th landmark. Again we will do the same. Pose dot get hand location. 2 is for y location and 8 for the hand landmark. So this will control the movement. Like this is controlling the movement of my Flappy Bird. Now I have to set the code here that if sprite dot is touching the Flappy Bird, so copy the name here and put this over here. What we have to do, we have to say sp sprite dot say you lose retry, and for retrying we have to go to the initial coordinates sprite dot say you lose, and we have to stop the game and break the loop. Okay, and one more thing, we have to add this thing here to detect the end location or the destination of our Flappy Bird. So how we are going to code this, we have to change the angle to 0 degree. We have to set the size to 400% and adjust the location of this over here. Now we have to write while true if sprite dot is touching Flappy Bird, sprite dot say you won the game. We have to turn off the camera. For this, pose.net here, pose dot disable the boxes, pose dot video off, and break the loop. Now let's check the working of our code. Here it's tracking the 8th coordinate of our index finger, which is the tip. We are avoiding this from touching anything, and if we completed the game.